In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create an inventory list in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank workbook and maximize it. Now click on the File tab, and here you'll find more templates. Click on that, but make sure that if you are, make sure you are connected to an internet connection to go on with this process. And then here in the search bar, simply type inventory list. Okay, and click on the search icon, and a lot of templates for the inventory list will appear from here. So you just have to simply choose as to what template or design would you like to open or would you like to use. So let me go with this first one, and just need to simply click on this create button. Now once you click on the create button, you will have this inventory list already in your Microsoft Excel, so you can edit that from here with your own data. You just need to simply click on each cells to edit it and place it with your own data. And if you want to save it, you can simply click on the File tab, click on Save As, click on Browse for the location. You can go with any of this destination path and click on Save, and that will be saved as to where you have chosen to be saved, like anywhere on your Windows. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily create an inventory list in Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.